Hey Debo, I need some more bangers from my playlist game.
What'd he say? Glock make up detox. Shout out Maine, shout out Johnny, shout out Zay, shout out JoJo, shout out Duke, shout out Trello, play with the kitty, not talking hello, he tryna kick it, you not my fellow, that ass jiggly, I call it jello, plug like playoffs, so like Carmelo, slide through 40, I'm pushing the pedal, you know I got him, SCB's bottom, I caught her up, I'm about to drop him, niggas my son, shit put on the column, spoke with JP, big bro shot him, took it too far, I had to stop him, taking a picture, I had to crop him, just a young nigga coming from the bottom, somebody a hoe, bitch I'm not him, erasing nigga, just like a pencil, he get on grills, I'm taking his dental, knock off his dress, get off in the rental, I gotta blow it blow like a whistle, traveling states, just like a missile, I got an AR, but they a pistol, that shit fake, shit like a pixel, I make it rain or I make it drizzle, I got on Gucci, yo shit beefy, you gon' die if you try to tweet me, you niggas blind, some like Stevie, STB Debo, they wanna be me, you know my name, turn on the TV, this shit not sweet, it's not a Kiwi Debo, don't like the way that you treat me, she say Debo, please don't leave me. Ha, come on man, what'd he say, Glock make up detox, come on man, stop playing me, STB shit man, you already know what's going on, stop fucking playing with me, be